Welcome to Lancaster West Estate in the Royal Borough of Kensington in Chelsea. I'm Yusuf Muhammad, co-founder and Chief Design Officer at Plumis. Earlier this year, we were delighted to be asked to install Automist Smartscan, our innovative fire suppression here as a trial for Lancaster West. Today, I'd like to tell you a bit about why we developed Automist and show you how the system works. Traditional sprinklers do save lives, but have remained fundamentally unchanged for more than 140 years, despite significant advances in technology. They can be difficult and costly to retrofit, and in some scenarios have been shown to be ineffective at controlling smoke, a significant risk in domestic fires. We decided to rethink the traditional fire sprinkler and come up with another solution to help. Automist can activate earlier for a number of fire types and is a cheaper option to retrofit in a wide range of properties. Let me show you the system. I'll start with the unique spray heads, which are positioned midway up the wall. One of the key differences between Automist and traditional sprinklers is that Automist uses water mist to suppress fires. Water mist is effective on a wide range of fires, even difficult concealed fires. And as the droplets are small, the water mist is entrained into the seat of the fire by the fire's natural turbulence. This is also why the spray heads are positioned where they are, to maximize how much water mist is drawn into the seat of the fire. Automist performs as well as sprinklers, but uses 1/10 of the water. It connects to the normal domestic water supply, so there's no need for a large tank or an expensive water supply upgrade. Using significantly less water also minimizes consequential water damage. The system is dry until use, so there's less risk of leaks and a reduced risk of Legionella too. This also means that there's less disruption to the fabric of the building and residents when retrofitting. We found that this and the sleek, modern design of the spray head makes the system popular with residents and leaseholders, helping to get buy-in, particularly in mixed tenure blocks. The modular nature of the system means it can be fitted on a flat-by-flat basis, so protection can be provided to the most vulnerable residents first. This is the controller, the brains of the system. Using our black box technology, we can record incidents so the system learns, allowing performance to be enhanced over time with a simple software upgrade. Connection to power, activations, and tampering can be monitored remotely. The controller is connected to a small yet powerful pump, which when activated drives water through flexible hoses to the spray heads. To avoid false activations, we use a double knock trigger. When the multi-sensor detector identifies a potential fire, as well as raising the alarm, they trigger the spray heads in that location to start scanning. Each spray head features an infrared sensor that can identify heat changes that indicate a fire. If a fire is located, the spray head best positioned to tackle it targets the fire with a dense fog of water mist. We've undertaken extensive third-party testing to prove that Automist meets the performance criteria in the relevant code of practice for fixed water mist systems, BS 8458. Recent tests at the Fire Protection Association, Automist was shown to operate up to 2 minutes earlier than a traditional sprinkler for a challenging concealed white goods fire. We hope you found this short introduction useful, and you can see why a growing number of social landlords are using Automist to improve fire safety. If you would like more information or to visit a live demonstration, please do get in touch.